Gravity of the situation becomes clear when Lindquist emphasizes the severity, intensity, and utter terror felt by several passengers during the journey. He mentions that some people are seeking counseling, noting that the full depth of the psychological impact may not become apparent for several days, weeks, or even months. The lawsuit highlights one disturbing aspect: passengers claim difficulties breathing, as well as concerns about the oxygen mask's effectiveness. Lindquist observes that, according to the suit, numerous passengers reported that the oxygen masks did not appear to work, with some unable to receive any oxygen despite their efforts to activate them. This raises major concerns regarding the flight's safety systems and the obligation of Boeing and Alaska Airlines to ensure their efficacy.